What makes Dunedin, New Zealand, one of the most unforgettable cruise destinations? Is it the stunning wildlife, the rich Scottish heritage, or perhaps the hidden gems that only locals know about? Imagine stepping off a cruise ship and being greeted by a serene harbour, the scent of fresh air, and the sight of rolling hills and Victorian architecture. This is where every corner promises something new and exciting. This isn't just another stop on the cruise map. It's an adventure waiting to be discovered. From rare wildlife to breathtaking views and captivating history, this city offers an experience like no other. So, why should Dunedin be your next cruise port destination? What makes it so special? In this video, we'll answer those questions and dive into the best attractions, hidden gems, and unforgettable experiences this city has to offer. But don't just take our word for it. By the end of this video, you'll be convinced that it is more than just a place to dock. It's a must-see destination for any traveler. And trust me, I've put a lot of effort into making sure you get the inside scoop on everything the port has to offer. Cruise ship arrival at port. Arriving at the port is like stepping into another world. As the cruise ship docks at Port Chalmers, passengers are greeted with a view of the calm harbour surrounded by lush hills. Port Chalmers itself is a charming little town with quaint shops, cafés, and a peaceful vibe that makes it a great starting point for your adventure. Just a 20-minute drive from the port, the city centre welcomes visitors with its striking mix of Victorian and Edwardian architecture. This city, often called the Edinburgh of the South, has been shaped by its Scottish heritage, and it shows in every corner. Walking through the streets feels like stepping back in time, where modern life blends seamlessly with the past. The port is designed with cruise passengers in mind. There are shuttle buses available to take you straight into the heart of the city. And if you're in the mood to explore on your own, you can easily hop into a cab or rent a bike. The friendly atmosphere and the city's compact nature make it easy to get around. The small town charm is a big part of why this port has become a favourite among cruise passengers. Top attractions near the port. What makes this place so special? Let's take a closer look at the top attractions that make this destination stand out from the rest. Otago Peninsula. One of the area's crown jewels is the Otago Peninsula. It stretches out into the Pacific Ocean and is home to some of New Zealand's most breathtaking natural beauty. Think dramatic cliffs, winding roads, and of course, some of the rarest wildlife on the planet. Whether you're into photography, nature walks, or simply enjoying the views, the Otago Peninsula offers something for everyone. Wildlife adventures. Widely known for its wildlife, the Otago Peninsula is the perfect place to experience it firsthand. The Royal Albatross Centre is a must-see. Here, you can witness the majestic albatross, the world's largest seabird, soaring through the sky. It's the only mainland breeding colony of these magnificent creatures, and seeing them in their natural habitat is something you won't forget. If birds aren't your thing, maybe penguins are. The yellow-eyed penguins, one of the rarest and most endangered species of penguin, call here home. The Penguin Place, a conservation reserve dedicated to protecting these beautiful birds, offers guided tours where you can get an up-close look at the penguins in their natural environment. Dunedin City's historic charm. Once you've had your fill of nature, head back into the city to explore its rich history. The city is a treasure trove of Victorian and Edwardian buildings that stand as a testament to its colonial past. Start with Larnach Castle, the only castle in New Zealand. Built in the 19th century, this beautiful structure is perched on a hill overlooking the Otago Peninsula. The views from the castle's gardens are nothing short of spectacular, and the castle itself is filled with fascinating history. Then, don't miss the Heritage Railway Station, one of the most photographed buildings in New Zealand. Its ornate architecture and grand design make it a standout feature in the city, and it's the perfect spot to snap some memorable photos. Also, take a stroll to the First Church of Otago. With its Gothic design and towering spires, this church is a testament to the city's Scottish roots. It's a peaceful spot to reflect, and its history adds another layer to the city's character. Cruise passenger experience. Once you step off the ship, the adventure begins. This city offers a variety of experiences that cater to all kinds of travellers, from history buffs to nature enthusiasts to food lovers. Shore excursions. Visiting is all about options. There are shore excursions to suit every kind of traveller. If you're into wildlife, book a tour to the Otago Peninsula to see the albatrosses and penguins up close. Prefer to stay in the city? There are city tours that will guide you through the best spots, from historical landmarks to hidden gems. For those who enjoy scenic drives, a trip up the peninsula will reward you with some of the best views in New Zealand. Or, for a more relaxed experience, hop on a guided walking tour and immerse yourself in the city's rich architectural history. Cultural and heritage tours. The local cultural scene is vibrant and offers plenty to explore. The Toitu Otago Settlers Museum gives you a glimpse into the history of the area, showcasing everything from Maori artifacts to the city's early Scottish settlers. If you're an art lover, you won't want to miss the Public Art Gallery. It's home to a collection of New Zealand and international art, and it's a great place to spend a lazy afternoon. Dining and local delicacies. After all that sightseeing, you'll be hungry, and foodies won't be disappointed. The city is known for its fresh seafood, and you'll find plenty of restaurants offering locally sourced dishes. Try the famous green-lipped mussels or indulge in some whitebait fritters, both local delicacies that are a must-try when you're in town. For a more casual experience, grab a bite at one of the many cozy cafés. The laid-back vibe of the city means you can easily enjoy a peaceful meal with a view of the harbour. Shopping and souvenirs. The shopping scene is perfect for those looking to pick up something unique. The city's small boutiques and local shops offer a variety of handmade crafts, wool products, and artisan goods. If you're looking for a memento of your time here, you'll definitely find something special to take home. Why choose Dunedin? So, what makes Dunedin such a standout cruise port destination? First off, the accessibility is top-notch. It's easy to get to, and once you arrive, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Whether you prefer to explore on your own or take guided tours, the compact city centre makes it simple to navigate. Then there's the unforgettable nature. It offers a unique combination of rugged coastal landscapes, scenic vistas, and wildlife experiences that are hard to beat. If you're someone who enjoys being in nature, this place is a dream come true. Beyond the natural beauty, the cultural depth of the city is also a huge draw. From historic castles to Scottish heritage to thriving arts and culture, there's so much to see and do. The port offers a perfect balance of nature, history, and modern life that's sure to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Lastly, Dunedin is the perfect spot for all types of travellers. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history enthusiast, or someone who just wants to relax and enjoy the view, this city has something for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the video description for our links to recommended local excursions that will save you a lot of money compared to those offered on your cruise ship. Our next exciting cruise destination is on the screen right now. Why not check it out? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more travel guides and tips. And hey, hit the bell icon so you never miss a new destination. Happy cruising!